Standard 12th Maths Chapter 5 Exercise 5.2 Question number 8 Third subdivision I am going to do for you. The question is identify the type of conic and find its center, foci, vertices and directrices. See the question, x plus 3 the whole square by 225 minus y minus 4 the whole square by 64 is equal to 1. See the symbol in between the terms is minus here. So we can say that it represents a hyperbola. Represents the hyperbola. See, let me replace this small x plus 3 as capital X and y minus 4 as capital Y. So the equation is x squared minus 225 minus capital Y squared by 64 is equal to 1. So this is a hyperbola. Let me see the position for this. In terms of capital X and capital Y, X dash, Y, Y dash. And this is the origin. See the hyperbola, you have the two curves here. See equation is x squared by 225 minus y squared by 64. So its transverse axis is along x-axis. Along x-axis. Here the origin is 0. But when you take the small x means you will get the hyperbola transverse axis is parallel to x-axis you will get in terms of small x and small y. So this is a transverse axis, conjugate axis. The term starts from x term means the transverse axis is along the x-axis. And see the foci of this hyperbola S dash. S is here AE comma 0 and S dash is minus AE comma 0. Minus AE comma 0. And this is center of the hyperbola. And see the vertices. Here you will mark it as the vertices A dash. A coordinate is a comma 0 and this is a dash comma 0 and see the directrices. So this is the position of the directrices in the hyperbola. Since the directrices is parallel to the y-axis, its equation is x is constant, so x is a by e and this side left side x equal to minus a by e. Just you have same as in the ellipse. Okay. So let me start do the problem here. So before that you write what is a squared is 225 and b squared is 64. So a is here. So a is here root of 225. That is 15. 15. What about E? E is equal to root of here 1 plus b square minus by a square. Small difference here in the ellipse you have minus, but in the hyperbola you will get 1 plus b square by a square. So square root of 1 plus b squared is 64 by 225. So take LCM. 225 is the LCM. So 1 into 225 plus 64. So 289. If you add, you will get. So square root of 289 is 17 by 15. So this is your E. And also in this case, as in this, you have find the ellipse, you find AE and A by E. And then you can draw the tabular column. So AE is equal to the value of A is 15. 15 into 17 by 15. 15 gets cancelled. You are getting 17. A by E. So A is 15 by 17 by 15 E. So 15 into reciprocal 15 by 17. So 225 by 17. Now come to the tabular column. See, write the hyperbola equation. Capital X squared by A squared, 225 minus capital Y square by 64 is equal to 1. This is the hyperbola equation. So we are going to find in terms of capital X, Y, and then in terms of small x, y. So what is small x? And you have to replace here small x and small y. So capital X is here, capital X is x plus 3, small x is x minus 3. Y minus 4 equal capital Y, so small y is capital Y plus 4. So I write small x is capital X minus 3, capital small y is capital Y plus 4. Okay, now we are going to find that first center with respect to x and y. So this is the hyperbola here. So just you will get the center as 0, 0. Center as 0, 0. So write the center here. Substitute x as 0. So minus 3, 4. Next is vertices. First vertices a, 0. A dash is minus a, 0. So here you will get, what is the value of a? We have got here, a is 15, 0. And this is minus 15, 0. So a here is, substitute capital X as, so all these are in terms of capital X and capital Y. Here capital X, capital Y. Capital X, we are going to convert this into small x and y. So substitute capital X is 15. So 15 minus 3 is 12. Capital Y is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. A dash minus 15 minus 3. So minus 18 and 0. So 4. So 12, 4 and minus 18, 4. Third one is foci. Here to focus, S is A, E, 0, S dash, A minus AE, 0. So we found that value of AE. AE is here 17. So 17, 0. This is minus 17, 0. Substitute in terms of small x and y. So capital X is 17 minus 3, 14. And capital Y is 0. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Then what about S dash? Minus 17. Minus 17 minus 3 is minus 20. Then again 0 plus 4 is 4. Your foci. Next is directrices. Directrices. X is A by E and X is minus A by E. So X equal to, what is A by E value? A by E value is 225 by 17. So X is here minus 225 by 17. Now substitute capital X as 225 by 17. So 225. So small x is capital X minus 3. So 225 by 17 minus 3. Here you will get minus 3. So what you will get? 17 LCM. So 225 minus 51 divided by 17. So if you subtract, you will get 174 by 17. So therefore small x is 174 by 17. And next directrix, so you substitute x, capital X as minus 225 by 17 minus 3. So you will get minus 225 minus 51 by 17, that is equal to minus, if you add you will get minus 276 by 17. So this is the two directrices for you. Foci and then vertices. See, I hope you understand this.